The next prayer we're going to be making is for people to gather together, ultimately for all peoples to gather together. And in order for us to be able to do that, we need to be able to connect to the powers within us that enable us to truly receive the other in their difference. We're now moving into the blessing, the prayer for the ingathering of the exiles. This is a prayer about joining together, about being able to accept each other in their difference in a way in which we experience them together with us in fulfilling a joint purpose. The midah, the seffira, which is assigned to this particular blessing, is that of hod. Hod means glory, and that's exactly what this is about. It's being able to experience creation as this unbelievable expression of grandeur. And that's going to mean that every expression of grandeur, every expression of greatness, every realization of being in their glory is going to be something that's attractive to us, that's interesting to us, that's exciting for us, that's actually a joint project that we're in together in making sure that it happens. You see, hod is actually like a beam of light. Karnei hod are the expressions of glory that come through, like when the sun shines its rays. They're called karnei hod, the horns of glory. It's when things move towards their powerful realization and expression. It's actually a fierce kind of a seffira in which the image of it is of fire. It's also associated with the great lover Aharon, the brother of Moses, the brother of Moshe, who is known by the rabbis as being the one who loved all creatures and would seek to bring them closer to divine wisdom. That was part of his recognition that God's wisdom is only accessible if we're all taking part in seeing it from the myriad different vantage points. That life is actually only fully expressed when we're each participating in a way in which we bring our fullness forward. And so if we're able to align ourselves with that attitude, and one of the ways to get to it is really, in a way, just to look at the sunbeams as they shine out from behind a cloud and their different ways of expressing. To look around creation and see what glamorous and glorious different ways God's creation expresses itself. And then to look around humanity and see the myriad ways in which human beings express this incredible power of the divine. And then to look around your people and see, wow, everyone needs to be part of this project, coming to their fullest expression. When you align yourself with that, when you orient yourself that way, that's the moment to open your mouth and talk about God sounding the great shofar, gathering together all the exiles, bringing them into the land where they'll be able to fulfill the realization of the fullness of the expression of what life can be. And bless God for being mikabetz nidechei amo Yisrael, for ingathering all of the dispersed of Yisrael. In this meditation, we're going to connect to the power of hod, a very special expression of Hashem's desire for us to be fully realized in our glory. The word hod itself forms both the root for the word for glory and also the root for the word thank you. Thanks is elemental to that realization. Thanks is what we'll also be orienting ourselves towards as we align with the midah of hod. And so, allow yourself to get into a comfortable position as you relax and enjoy the simple presence of makom, of having a place here and now. Take a deep breath. Enjoy the relaxation that it brings in. Release, together with the breath, all tension which might still be residing in your body. Invite yourself to take another breath through your nose. As your stomach expands outwards, your lungs fill completely. And now release that breath through pursed lips, relaxing into the simple goodness of being here now. I want to invite you to relax your shoulders, let them feel comfortable. Your back, let your legs relax, letting go of any forward movement or support for you. Feel your feet in their simple calm. Move your attention to the breath as it comes in and out. Focus yourself on the area between your eyes, imagining a broadening space between them. Opening up as if your mind and top of your head are opening to receive now a ray of light, Karen of Hod, a ray of light and glory, flowing down towards you. Experience it as a ray of light, of love, a ray of light, of assurance of your worth, a ray of light that, as you absorb it, invites you to your self-glow. Feel the glow that's exuding from your body. And bring up a memory of a moment when indeed you did glow. Maybe recently when you said something comforting to a friend. Maybe it was a smile you passed towards a random cashier. Maybe it was a fantastic performance or speech. Maybe it was just giving your child a gleam from your eye. Take a moment to appreciate your own very particular expression of glory. Sense the glow that's coming from you towards the person who experienced that expression. Feel grateful for this wonderful gift. Ani modeh lach. Thank you. You can say to Hashem. And now recall seeing someone else expressing glory. Someone else expressing their powers of life. Perhaps it was someone who you saw in deep prayer. Perhaps it was a little child riding a bicycle down the street, screaming with joy. Perhaps it was a performer using their voice or instrument in a special way. Feel grateful for the joys this person experiences, since it is part of the fullness of the divine expression of glory, of life coming to its full, fierce, passionate expression. Imagine now something in creation that is an animal, an object, the sunlight itself, flower blossoming, created as an expression of Hashem's glory shining forth through the particular medium of that object. Feel grateful for being able to witness that, to see that beauty. It may even just be a simple object that's sitting in front of you here and now. Now deepen your desire that all of these be connected, intensified, joined together in a way in which the myriad pathways of these rays of glory are flowing into creation in full expression. Just love, gratitude, appreciation, sense what it would be for all of humanity gathered together, each aware of their own and the other's special ray of glory, all shining. No jealousy, no contest, only expression thankfulness, appreciation. Imagine this particular people of Israel coming back from all the exiles, having absorbed such special expressions of each place they have been, coming back to their one single land and all expressing the unique and powerful realization of these lines of light, these rays of glow flowing through them. Turn again to your own contribution to that. It's back to the simple scene you imagined earlier when you sensed your glow awakened, available. Just relax into that, the sense of the joy of the gift that you've been given. Hashem, you are so blessed, gathering together all the dispersed of Israel.